So when you're around people, and I want to get to some of the questions and some of the most intriguing ones that people have communicated with me specifically from our last conversation. And one of the ones that I found interesting was this whole idea about doubt and positive self-talk. First, what do you think ignites doubt in people?
Fear
Of what's to come?
of not getting what they want to get.
But how do I know that until I try?
Well, you will try, but you'll be fearful as you try.
That's not a good recipe.
Desire, well, you act like you function out of choice. You function out of compulsion. Fear and desire go hand in hand. Whenever the mind desires something, it fears not getting it 10 times as much.
Mm-hmm.
That causes self-doubt.
How do you handle that?
It isn't about handling anything. It's about learning. I wrote about this in a discourse a few times years ago. My younger son was 7 or 8, and we were on the golf course, training. And he asked me a question. And I'll never forget where I was standing when he asked me. And he said, "Where does fear come from, Daddy?" And my mind said to me at that moment, it said, "Well, here you go. You're on the spot. What are you going to do now, mind master?" Right? You don't have time you have to give him a response right now. He's looking right into your eye. And I didn't allow myself to think, because I knew that if I thought, I would spin my wheels. So I allowed instinct to answer the question. And this is what instinct said. Instinct said that wherever there is a consequence, there is fear.
So
it is the understanding of that allows one to proceed with wisdom. It is not the dealing with anything. It isn't the management of anything. I think dealing with and management should be thrown into the trash can, and anyone who ever has a stress management conference should be fired and put in jail. I think all management and all dealing with is all cosmetic, 20-minute too late prescription nonsense. All treatments are nonsense. Either there's a cure that you have, or shut your mouth. Because a genuine human being deserves nothing less.